There is probably no better way to stick to a tight budget in your planner than to literally use your garbage. And I'm going to show you guys today how to do exactly that. All right, you guys, I'm super stoked for this one today. If you are new here, welcome. Thanks so much for coming to hang out with me. My name is Alana. I am an author, a housewife, a homeschool mama, and a decorative meets functional planner. Lately, I have been creating my own DIY planner in a basic Erin Condren notebook, and I have received so many comments from you guys that this is helpful and beneficial to you, that you are limited to a basic notebook, or you just want to step back to a basic notebook to make planning easier on yourself. But being on a budget, being limited, or just wanting to stick to the basics is no reason for us to not have a super cute planner spread. We're going to do a full double page spread, a weekly planner layout today, you guys, using literal garbage. Yes, literal garbage. I don't mean I went and bought an expensive pack of ephemera that looks like trash or old envelopes. No, I literally am using junk mail and magazine clippings, actual trash, to show you guys how you can still make a cute planner spread on a budget. Really quick, I want to start by showing you what inspired me to do this with you guys today. So this is my Passion Planner Memory Keeper. This is a weekly layout planner. Keep in mind, I was sick this week, so this is why the memories are a bit bare minimum. However, take a look at this super, super precious Charlie Brown and Snoopy. Snoopy is in his puffy coat. I love this image so much. This looks so cute with my spread. Had I been feeling better and gotten this all filled out, I would have highlighted it with some blue highlighter. This would have blended in so nicely. It would have been so cute. It's still cute, even though there's a bare minimum. And you guys, this is trash. This I cut off of a piece of junk mail that my husband received. It was from the Bradford Exchange, you know, the company that wants you to buy those decorative cuckoo clocks and all of the little knickknacks. This came from junk mail. I cut it off, I threw the rest away, and I love it so much. So you just have to have an eye out for these things, you guys, and you can make the cutest trash planner spreads. So we're going to go ahead and make one together. This is going to be nothing but the trash and clippings that I found and some pen. I'm not going to bring in a few stickers. I'm not going to pull in some washi tape. None of that. I did use scissors to cut this stuff out. We're going to use glue to glue it down, but that's it for materials. If you do want to create a garbage spread of your own, there's two ways to go about this. First, you can decide a theme in your mind that you want to create the spread for, springtime, for example, or gardening. You can set out with that theme in mind and look for specific things that go along with that and just sort of ignore everything else. Or you could do what I did and just collect a bunch of things that inspire you and see what you come up with at the end. Okay, I'm going to start. I'm going to put down my first little clipping, and I want to see if you guys can guess what my theme is. I'm going to put this down and then head to the comments. Tell me what you think the theme is. If you know me, if you've been hanging out on my channel for a minute, then this is not going to surprise you at all. Do you have a guess? We're going to go for one more, and then I'll tell you what the theme is. It's nostalgia. Of course it is. It's nostalgia, you guys. I'm a sucker for nostalgia. I didn't set out to have a theme, but all of the things that caught my eye, all of the things that I collected were classic and very childhood games. And yeah, I was like, okay, well, I've got to make a nostalgia spread. So we have a diner cut out here. This was literally from the top part of a picture of a diner in a magazine. We've got one of those foam or maybe the little plywood airplanes, you know, where you just assemble the wings. And I broke so many of these as a kid, but I love them so much. Super cute. So off to a good start with our nostalgia spread. Next, I have a washi strip. So this is just a pattern that was down the side of a recipe page in a magazine. The recipe was for hollandaise. Side note, I love hollandaise, eggs Benedict, anyone? But I cut this out. I thought this would make a perfect washi strip for down the side of my page, and we'll white this out. And it'll go really great with the theme. Okay, I put some white out, and this strip is just a little bit narrower than my glue, so I just got glue all the way down my desk. Nevertheless, it's still gonna make for a really fun spread. So is that hanging over? Not too bad. So there we go. We have a washi strip down the side of the page. It's crooked, isn't it? It's so crooked. Oh my gosh. I'll fix it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna save the little piece that I trimmed off in case I wanna put it somewhere else on my spread. You guys, I apologize if there's a little bit of glare at the top of my page. I can't do anything about the huge window that's in front of my desk. The sun keeps coming in and out from behind the clouds, but let's keep going. I'm gonna put this little set of cards right down in the corner here. I did get a little bit of glue on the front that was all over my desk, but that's okay. It'll probably rub off. If it looks a little dirty, it's fine. We're going for nostalgia anyways. We even have a box sticker, you guys. This is just, again, a box cut from a magazine. I'm gonna put it right down in the corner over here. While I continue decorating, why don't you let us know in the comments if you have any like ultimate budget planner tips? Of course, there's the ultimate budget planner tip, which is just to use a pen and a piece of paper, which is okay too. You can do your own doodles and draw your own boxes. You guys know I love to draw my scratchy boxes. But if we have junk mail or Costco magazines or things like that lying around, there's no reason that we can't grab it and make something cute every once in a while, especially for holidays or a change of season. Always fun to challenge ourselves to be a little bit more creative and decorative. I'm searching for something to decorate up this box with. Here we go. Here's a word that I found. It was actually cartwheeling. This is from a Magnolia magazine. Magnolia does the cutest little like fonts and little stories and things like that. So you can always find a cute word in there. So this said cartwheeling, but I cut it down to say cartwheel. I mean, you can't get more childhood nostalgic than a cartwheel. Could you do a cartwheel? Let me know. I could not. I'm very uncoordinated. I tried, but I could never do a cartwheel. By the way, this spread is not a suggestion or recommendation that you should go out and buy a magazine right now for magazine clippings. I'm pretty sure you could buy an actual sticker book for cheaper than you could get a magazine right now. Gosh, magazines are so expensive. But if you have a collection of old magazines, thumb through them. You could definitely find some fun clippings in there. Of course, they don't have to be new. I've got this stuff from old. I haven't purchased Magnolia magazines probably since the first year or two when they were out. Now they're just too expensive and I can't justify purchasing them. Or if you know somebody who has a collection of magazines that they want to get rid of, occasionally public libraries, I know the ones near us, they have like a magazine swap where you can just come into the lobby, you can drop off some of your old magazines, take a bundle of somebody else's old magazines, and occasionally they'll just let you take some even if you have none to offer. So that's an idea. I think I'll just go ahead and put this spare piece right over here just so that we have some on this side to match this one. And then let's see, I think I'm gonna put these jam thumbprint cookies. Did you guys love these? I did. I'm gonna put them right down here. And then another favorite, you guys, we're gonna put this bowl of sprinkles hanging off the side right over here. And I think I want to layer this with something. So I'm going to put this little moth cut out right on there. Super cute. Okay, maybe should we do this little bingo over here? And then let's do a butterfly. Just like that. Oh no, I got more glue on the front. Dang it, I'm gonna have to put some paper down. I could also pause and literally go get some cleaner and clean it off, but we're gonna keep going. I'm trashing up my trash, you guys. Okay, let's see what else. And I am gonna draw my days of the week in here. My weekly planner spreads are sort of like an overview of my week and little to-do lists and my meal plan. And then I break that down into smaller pieces with my passion planner daily. So you can do this either way. You can set up your week first when you know best how much time and space you need to plan out your week and then decorate around it. Or you can do what I've done here and decorate first. I think I'm gonna put this pair of sweat socks over on this side, and we'll put this Atlas of Adventure over the top like that. Yeah. How did I have that? Let's see, did I have it like this? Shoot. We'll go like, oh, that's gonna take up a lot of my space for Monday, so that's all right though. So I know ideally this is how you would do a junk journal, but I do feel like so many junk journals, and I've attempted a junk journal myself in the past. So many of them, are ephemera that you buy and little bits and pieces and stickers and washi and ribbons, and even junk journaling can get to be expensive. But really, if we just set out with a little bit of a creative eye, you can find really fun spreads in your trash. Okay, so we have that other half of the sprinkles bowl. I'm just gonna put that right up here. And then I was gonna put this book over here somehow like this, since we have one book over on this side. It does have, this was from a gift list in a magazine, and it does have like a little arrow, and pointing away from it was the title of the book and the cost of the book. But that's okay. I'm still going to use it, and I can cover it up by layering something else over the top. So let's do another one of these insect cutouts. Last of the insect cutouts, you guys, I have a little dragonfly. I'm going to put it, let's see. I want this little box of pickup sticks to go along with it. So we'll go like that, and then I'll glue this over the top. We're nearly done, you guys. Last couple things. I have this Flower Market Copenhagen print. This was in a magazine. This was an office photo. There was a bunch of women sitting around in an office, and on a couch there were a bunch of women, and behind them on the wall was this. Everything is a potential sticker, you guys. So I'm just gonna put it right here like that. We've got a bubblegum vending machine. I'm going to put that over here. And last one is a calculator. I think no, we're not going to put it there. I think I'm going to put it with my vending machine. Just like that. We have an entirely decorated spread, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go in and make a setup for my whole week, but I wanted to show you guys first. Here's a few things that I cut out that I did not use, but I can still save these for future spreads. Actually, the curious might be cute down here with these cookies. I don't know, maybe I'll just leave it. Then I've just got an Axe handbook. I don't know, the colors just made me think of like nostalgia. I just wanted books, and then this whole thing of crayons. This I thought about using just like a corner piece of it, but it is a little bit dark compared to the rest of the spread, so I'm just gonna hang on to it. And now I'm gonna go in and fill up for my days of the week. All right, guys, here's my garbage planner spread. Let me know what you think. I personally would go in and cover the days of the week with highlighters or markers to match the spread. I also left this spot right here where I'm going to put my tracker. I'm still going to do it just in pen, but I need a ruler, and I don't have one in here with me right now. But it's just my tracker where I track walking on the treadmill, taking my vitamins, supplements, collagen, not having sugar, that sort of thing. So I'm just going to put that right here. And then if I can write on this, I think I should be able to, I'm going to put gratitude in this box here. This was really simple, you guys, and so much fun to put together. Like I said, just keep a creative eye out. I know the most recent Costco Connection magazine has some really pretty flowers in there. Like everything is a potential sticker. You guys just save some of your junk mail, flip through old magazines, get inspired, cut some things out and see what you can come up with. This definitely screams childhood nostalgia to me, and I love it so much. I love the colors. I love the little insects. I love everything about this. I think it's so dang cute. Let me know what you guys think, what you think of this spread, what you think about trying your own garbage planner spread. If you are over in the Facebook group, Overly Hangouts, or if you want to join our Facebook group, come hang out with us over there. I would love to see you try your own one of these. I just think it's so fun. I think it's an extra creative challenge. It's cool and fun to see what you can come up with. So if you're over there and you want to share one of these, please post it. I would love to see it. But you guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me for this one. I had a blast with this. Okay, that's all for this one. I will see you in my next one. Tell your dog I said hi. Bye, guys.